Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's message is so much more stronger than ever, you guys. This video is all dedicated to the dowry and looking down on women and mistreating them all around the world. 50% of brides all around the world actually either commit suicide or murdered. As sad as it is, I'm going to go and continue with my look. I'm doing a bridal look. I'm getting ready as if I am the bride in this video, which I am trying to be one. And I will show you the end result of some of the brides that do go through the process that I am sharing with you guys, how I'm getting ready for this look and how they end up in real life. For me, both of the looks are really dramatic and they are actually just makeup, but for some it's not. So today, as a woman, I would like to raise voice to support other women out there that doesn't have the love and support that they need, as well as against the dowry system and sexism. I hope you guys will support that as well. Please help any women out there that does need help. Help them, give them resources if you yourself cannot help them. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and get on to my video. You guys, you saw that I did apply the transition shades. I am using my Melt Cosmetics palette, and I did do the yellow, light orange, and then the dark orange color into my crease. And I am now creating a cut crease with my concealer, which is e.l.f. Cosmetics. So for this look, I'll be using Crown brushes. This is their 30SN Shimmer Neutral Eyeshadow Palette, you guys. And I am applying a very metallic shimmery gold color onto my main lid. And then a copper brown shade towards the outer corner to bring more definition and make this a very smoky look. And I'm just making sure that the both colors look well blended together. I will now be taking the Heavy Metal Glitter Liner by Urban Decay, which is in shade Gold. And I'm just going to go ahead and pop that into my crease to bring a little bit more glittery, more drama, more dramatic, more beautiful, gorgeous. Because again, I'm doing a bridal look. Today is my happy day. I will be taking my Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus foundation. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. The shade I'm taking is Golden Beige. I did go with my foundation 2 times today because of the coverage that I'm reaching for. It is a bridal look and I want to make sure that I am flawless and beautiful. I am just now blending out my concealer, which is e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Concealer. To set it all in place, I will be reaching my Crown brush, Yellow Banana Powder, and I'm going to go and take that onto the Beauty Blender. Because I'm applying it with the Beauty Blender, it's going to give me the most full coverage without giving me the cakey look. Now taking my Makeup Forever foundation powder to set the rest of the face. I am taking Real Her. This is the Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio that I received in my Boxy Charm of month of October. I'm going to go and take the bronzer from this palette and just going to go ahead and bronze myself. For the blush, I am taking Japanesque Velvet Touch Blush in shade number 3, and I'm going to go and apply that using my blush brush, and then taking a Kat Von D contour palette, mixing the shades together to contour my cheekbones. I will now be taking my Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay Gel Eyeliner. Make sure if you are getting ready for a bridal look, try to use a waterproof one, but because this is just a look, so I am using a non-waterproof eyeliner, and I will be creating a wing today. I am placing a gel pencil, which is in shade White by NYX Cosmetics, into my waterline to make my eye appear a little bit more bigger. If you'd like, you can switch it with the black pencil to make it more smoky and dramatic and also define your eyes. And I will be doing that by applying a darker shade of eyeshadow onto my lower lash line. As you guys can see, it'll give me just that, but then with the illusion of having the bigger eyes by placing the gel liner in white shade into my waterline. To smoke it out, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Melt Cosmetics palette, and I will be using the very same transition shades. I'm going to mix them all 3 together onto a smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out. I also applied the same shade onto the same brush, and I blended out the outer edge of my eyeliner as well, and it really completed this look. Taking a metallic light pale shade, I'm going to go and pop that towards my inner corner to highlight. And this is a very important step. It'll make you look more awake, more alert, and it really makes your look stand out. I will now be taking a flat definer shade and a matte black shadow onto it, and I'm just going to go and run that along my lower lash line. And I will now create that more open eye look using a waterproof liquid eyeliner. I did do falsies already, you guys. If you haven't noticed, I'm using Ardell Double Up Wispies, and I did apply some on the bottom lash. I did cut them up individually and applied 2 sets of them onto the bottom lashes. I will now be taking my Essence Nude Highlighter, you guys. It is a must for me, especially for a bridal look. You're just going to go and dab it wherever you want the natural glow without being so powerful. And as you guys can see, it is really making this makeup look live. I will take the Hourglass Ambient Highlight Palette, and I'll take the one in center, and I'm going to go and pop that wherever I want to bring more highlight, more attention, more light to my face. Now I am done applying my jewels. I'll be outlining my lips using a Milani pencil. This is in shade Red, and I'm just going to outline my lips real quick. For the lipstick, I'll be taking Pure Cosmetics Barbie collection. You guys, I purchased all 3 of them. I will be doing a demo for you guys in near future. But I absolutely love the packaging, you guys. I'm already telling you, absolutely love the product that's inside. Absolutely love the way this pops open, the way it feels in your hand. Absolutely gorgeous. But this right here is my complete look, you guys. I hope you guys understand the message I'm trying to give out. I hope you guys be positive about this video. I hope you guys find help for the ladies that need help out there. Please, guys, don't close your eyes. Don't walk away. Help. Keep in mind, they may not have the courage to speak or may need a helping hand to put their voice out there and get them the help that they need before it's too late. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.